How to create AliExpress account. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create AliExpress account. To create an AliExpress account is simple. The first thing to do is to log in into the AliExpress site. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the domain name for AliExpress, which is www.aliexpress.com, or you could just enter aliexpress.com and then you'll be brought to the AliExpress homepage. Now, once you're on this page, by the top left corner of the screen, yes, top right corner of the screen, sorry, the top right corner of the screen, you will see a list of options such as download the AliExpress app, your country, as well as sign in or register. Currently, you do not have an account, so you cannot sign in. Instead, you click on register. Just go ahead and click on register. Once you click on register, let's do that again. Click on it. Once you click on register, a box will pop up asking you to create an account. You can decide to create an account by entering your email address here and a password manually, or you can just decide to continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple. Right? In this tutorial, I'll just continue with Google. Just click on Google, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to choose an account to continue to AliExpress. I'll be choosing the second account here, which is Abioye Debra. So just choose that. And then once you've chosen that, wait for it to load. Once it loads, your account will be created automatically. Very simple. Very simple. So this is how you can create an AliExpress account. Thanks for watching.